from Jamnagar, India. The world's definitive hub for brass excellence. A city where raw metal evolves into engineering brilliance. For generations, its precision has shaped industries worldwide, driving innovation beyond borders and leading this global force of craftsmanship is Wenus Enterprise. Founded in 1999, Wenus Enterprise brings together generations of craftsmanship and modern engineering. What began as a small workshop has evolved into a global manufacturing partner, delivering precision components across the USA, Europe, the Middle East, and Asia, driven by innovation and built on trust. We don't just manufacture components, we engineer reliability. Spread across 125,000 square feet, our state-of-the-art facility is driven by over 100 skilled professionals and advanced infrastructure. With integrated capabilities across machining, forging, plating, and inspection, we deliver a robust production capacity of 5,000 metric tons annually. Backed by an annual revenue exceeding 10 million USD, our scale reflects the trust we've earned across global markets. From brass to steel, aluminium to copper, our multi-metal expertise empowers us to serve diverse industries with precision, consistency, and reliability. Global sourcing is often defined by compromise, inconsistent quality, missed timelines, and unreliable commitments. At Wenus Enterprise, we don't adapt to these challenges. We eliminate them through engineered precision, rigorous quality systems, and operational discipline. We deliver what global industries demand: consistent quality, on-time delivery, and absolute reliability. What sets Wenus Enterprises apart is our ability to deliver precision, consistency, and scalability without compromise. With a strong global footprint and a dedicated distribution network, Wenus Enterprise ensures seamless delivery and customer satisfaction worldwide. Our strength lies in our ability to scale, adapt, and deliver, meeting international demands with unmatched efficiency. Through green energy and solar-powered operations, we reduce our carbon footprint and move towards a more sustainable future. Powered by advanced CNC and VMC technologies, our processes are designed for precision and sustainability, minimizing waste and striving towards zero carbon manufacturing. We believe in giving back what we take. From recycling wastewater to reusing valuable materials, every drop and every resource is preserved with purpose. Through energy-efficient systems and intelligent processes, we reduce consumption while maximizing output, proving that sustainability and productivity can go hand in hand. Our commitment extends beyond machines. We create a safe, green, and responsible workplace where innovation thrives in harmony with nature. For us, sustainability is not just a practice. It's a promise to future generations, a promise to build, innovate, and grow responsibly. Every component manufactured at Wenus Enterprise is backed by detailed process documentation and complete traceability. From raw material to final dispatch, every stage is carefully recorded to maintain transparency and quality assurance. Quality is at the core of everything we do, with globally recognized certifications like IATF 16949, ISO 9001, ISO 14001 and ISO 45001, we ensure excellence across quality, safety, and environmental standards. Our compliance with RoHS and REACH, along with certifications like UL and CE, guarantees reliability in every product we deliver. At Wenus Enterprise, every product begins with advanced quality planning and strict approval processes. Through PPAP and APQP systems, the company ensures precision, consistency, and reliability before full-scale production begins. Our process begins with uncompromising raw material inspection, ensuring only the finest inputs enter production. We achieve our production goals through the use of highly precise and advanced machinery, including advanced CNC turning centers, VMC machines, forging systems, Trob lathes, and specialized automation. Our manufacturing process also involves drilling, threading, grooving, milling on VMC, knurling, chamfering, and facing operations to ensure accuracy and quality. In addition, sheet metal stamping and broaching machines are used for efficient shaping. While laser marking provides precision identification, surface finishing is enhanced through plating processes, and annealing is carried out to improve material properties. Post-machining, each component undergoes rigorous cleaning, inspection, and testing, eliminating even the slightest imperfection. A key highlight of our facility is the optical sorting system machine, which is customizable and ensures exceptional precision by detecting even the smallest defects, helping us maintain high quality and consistency in large-scale production. We deliver uncompromised consistency, achieving near zero defects and maintaining quality levels below 100 ppm, batch after batch. At Wenus Enterprise, quality is driven by real-time SPC monitoring and detailed quality sheets at every stage of production. This data-driven approach ensures process stability, dimensional accuracy, and consistent manufacturing excellence across every batch. Our components power a wide range of industries, from automotive and electrical systems to industrial equipment, oil and gas, and precision medical applications. As industries evolve, we continue to engineer solutions for the future, including renewable energy and electric mobility. Behind every component is a team committed to excellence. With a strong focus on safety, training, and well-being, we foster a culture where people and performance grow together. Safety is a core value at Wenus Enterprise. With strict PPE practices and a strong safety culture, the company creates a secure, disciplined, and responsible working environment for every employee. We hold 50,000 square feet of expansion-ready land right beside our existing facility. We scale with the right global partner, ready to grow in India. Dedicated lines, greater capacity, built to fit infrastructure, all powered by precision, quality, and advanced manufacturing. We are not just expanding space, we are building the future of partnerships. Women are redefining roles, contributing at every stage with skill and confidence. With continuous training and equal opportunities, they grow into professionals and leaders, driving quality, growth, and a stronger future for the industry. Wenus Enterprise proudly supports women in the workforce and strengthens opportunities for women-owned businesses, creating a future driven by inclusion, opportunity, and progress. At Wenus Enterprise, precision is not just engineered, it is embedded in everything we do. A commitment to quality, a standard of reliability, and a legacy of engineering excellence. Shaping metal, enabling industries, and defining the future of manufacturing. Wenus Enterprise, multi-metal, multi-process, precision engineering, engineered for excellence, trusted across the globe. Let's build precision. Let's build reliability together. India Office, Revenue Survey number 478 by 1, Kijaria, Jamnagar 361120, Gujarat, India. Email us info@vbrass.com. Call us 9099 408 448. USA Office, 42616 Greystone Drive, Sterling Heights, MI 78313. Email us tsw@vbrass.com. Call us 734 756 7771 or 734 925 4264.